to lesson 2. We will talk about some basics about main menu and setting languages and everything else. If you have your SuperBrain in some other language, you can press and hold F2 button and you can change the language. If you want some basic data about SuperBrain, you can press F1. So let's press and hold F1 for 2 or 3 seconds. The same is with language. So this version, expand date, IP, com, file back name, file date, and system A and system B. So let's go back. The button back. Here we have display data. We have alarm. We have time programs, lock, keyboard, and setup. That's the main menu. We can talk some more about these buttons that are down. We have back, F1, F2, F3, F4, and enter. So F1, F2, F3, F4 are multifunction buttons. Enter is for confirming and for locking the SuperBrain. So if you press and hold enter for 6 seconds, you can lock the menu of SuperBrain, so nobody can use it except you, because you know how to unlock it, and you unlock it by pressing and holding the enter for 6 seconds. Okay, back button is for back, and you will see what buttons F1 to F4 do. So we can go down by pressing F4. Here we have alarms. We'll talk about them later. Here we have time program. We'll talk about that later. Lock keyboard, and you can lock it here in menu, the keyboard, and you can unlock it with press and hold enter for 6 seconds. And here we have setup. So let's go on setup and confirm with enter. Okay, so he asks us for technical code. It asks us, yes. So the technical code is 1. So with F2 we select 1, okay, and press enter. Eureka! So we we are in system setup. Here we can set time, we can set date, we can set communication setup, we can set program, and we can check wiring. So let's go to communication setup, press enter. Okay, here we have serial, COM, offset, Ethernet, Modbus. So let's go to Ethernet, press enter, and we can set IP. Here's set IP, and we can set it the one we want. It's good to remember which IP we have here, so later when we will program, we will need this IP to connect and to run program on SuperBrain, to send program on SuperBrain. So let's go back. Let's go to menu. Okay. So here we have display data. If we press that, the display data will show. So I have this program on. So let's look at this program. This program is in different language, so you can move by. I will move by F1. So it's like this: F1. Here we have in one house. So let's go back. So that will be all for lesson 2. Join me in lesson 3. We will talk about alarms and time programs.